Alright, I watched a lot of videos on YouTube on how to get the hood latch unstuck. Alright, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is the hood latch, and I just put these vents in so that way, because I was having overheating issues, but I forgot to put the cable on. So, you know, like, and the cables break all the time. But this is a hood latch, right? Just remember where it is. It's on the driver's side, very, very front, pretty much. And there's a little latch behind it, right there. That's the latch. All right. There's enough spacing right here to get your hand through. All right. I'm gonna lock it on its own without, you know, even though that I got it back open. All right. This is the easiest way you're gonna do it. You see right there? There's the latch. Right there. I don't know if I can zoom in real quick. There we go. High latch. Alright, that thing's pretty tough to try to open. This is the easiest way you're gonna open it. Alright, just use your thumb. Alright, your fingers, they ain't as strong as your thumb. Your thumb got more power than your fingers do. Alright, I'm just gonna reach my hand up there and unlatch it with my hand. There we go. That easy. All I did, you couldn't see it, I know, but I just put my, oh, bad view. I just put my finger on the latch. That latch. Put my finger on that latch and opened it up. See? Put my thumb like that and I clicked it hard as I can. Remember your thumb, because your thumb has more power than your other fingers. Alright, if you find something that's broken latched or something, this is probably the best way to do it.